Let's compare the speed of doing a simple eDiscovery search in NetMail Search compared to Office 365. First, we get into the eDiscovery management tool of Office 365. We create a case. This case is about a Sue Adams termination, so wrongful termination. Create a case. We open this case. Once the case is opened, we will create a new search. Create a new search and look for Sue Adams termination. Really simple. We select the location. We want to search through emails. So we'll select the first location. Let's save and run this search. Oh, you have to give it a name. We'll call it our first search. And we put a description, first search, keep it simple. We can only have one time the same name within the whole organization. So we'll call that the third search. Hopefully nobody has done a third search. There we go. Now it's searching. We wait for the results to come back. Okay, the results have come back. There's only 3 items. That's really not what we're looking for. Let's look for Sue termination, just to keep it simple. Now we wait for the results to come back. No result. We have to put an and between Sue and termination so that it will consider those 2 words, because right now it's looking for Sue termination in 1 word. There you go. Let's save and run this search. Now, while the search is running, let's try to do the same thing in NetMail Search. Okay, first we log into the tool and get into eDiscovery. We'll create a new case. We'll call the same, Sue Adams termination, the case. We'll select the location. We want to search through emails, so we'll select the emails. Here we go. Now we have our case. We'll open the case. Here we go. We see all the emails in the case and all the mailboxes, and we'll look for Sue Adams termination. Only a few items. That's not what we're looking for. Now let's look for Sue termination. Now it's going to look for the 2 words, Sue termination. There we go. All the results are here. We can actually browse through those results really quickly, select any of the results, and look at the documents themselves, the emails themselves. Now let's go back to Office 365 and see where we're at. Well, during that time, it was actually searching for the documents themselves. Now it's actually trying to retrieve the preview results to be able to display them. It will only display up to 200 items instead of showing all of the results. There we go. Now we have access to the results, and we can browse through the documents as well. As you can see, it takes much longer to run the same processes in Office 365 than in NetGovern Search.